Okay, I'm going to take a look at a 13th of March trade. Right now, this session, initially my bias was bearish, okay, but prices look bullish right here. So yeah, you're gonna see how I change gears, and I just outlined that 850 fair gap, which is also the first fair gap during the AM session. So would like to see it act as resistance. And the fact that we had a displacement from the fair value gap, okay, that just suggested that we are going to go higher for the equal highs. So I entered with the immediate rebalance, and also inversion order block. So basically I'm typing here that I want to see the reaction of an immediate rebalance. So basically wanting to see it rip higher. Yeah, just measuring that bearish order block, expecting it to be an inversion, so stop loss is shifted higher. If I'm on site, it does not need to come back down. And yeah, I took a partial right there as it reached the first presented fair gap of Thursday. Stop loss right now is to cover costs better than break even and to secure some profits. And basically I want to see this unfilled because if I'm on site, okay, it's going to be a IOFED. It's called Institutional Order Flow Entry Drill. But clearly it did not, so it wasn't as bullish as I thought. And yeah, I was expecting it to sweep the equal highs and go lower, but it failed to do so. And it's reacting off the Thursday first presented fair gap. So what I outlined just now is it's called a bearish market structure shift. It is where I want to see price just enter a sell program after it break that low, but it did not do so. So as you can see, the objective I have earlier, okay, it was going to hit it. And right now, immediately what I'm thinking is price is taking too long to reach the smooth highs. So just measuring the market with that fair gap right there. I type that unfilled because I don't want to see it filled fully, and dollar just keep ripping lower, so it suggests that we are in a market that there is no symmetry. That's why I was very cautious, and there we have the bearish market structure shift of displacement of the Thursday first present fair gap. So expecting that big fair gap to be a breakaway gap. And the first criteria for me if I want to go short is that 5-minute BC to act as an inversion, and it clearly did not do so. So yeah, it did not act as a breakaway gap. That's why two-sidedness, just waiting for time. But still, it traded off the higher fair value gap. That's why the trade idea is still relevant. But what I don't like is that they left that smooth highs right there. And here, right here, I could have just go short, but because dollar was trading lower also, that's why I just did not do anything. Okay, and that can be an entry, immediate rebalance. Why? Because it's reacting off the 850 fair value gap that I outlined right there, and we have displacement. So definitely a very good entry right there if dollar was moving higher. So as you can see, everything is outlined as it goes, as I wanted it to. That acting as an inversion. So it reacted off the 5-minute BC using it as an inversion. Right now I want to see it rip lower. That's my thinking right away. Because we are at the 5-minute BC low and it just touched right into it, having immediate rebalance. And right here we should see some movement lower, and there we have it. Immediately I'm thinking like whether that green, that up close candle, is acting as an order block, because if it wants to go down, the inversion fair value gap need not to be visited again. Yeah, so that fair value gap that I just extended, yeah, I want to see it act as an reclaim CB, use it to send price lower. And as you can see from the CB right to where is price currently trading at, you can see that yeah, everything is outlined beforehand, but I did not take any trade because dollar was simply not showing me the confirmation I want. And also I was already profitable taking that counters bias trade at the start using the immediate rebalance entry. That's why I was quite cautious because as I said, that I also don't like that the fact that they left that smooth highs right there. So yeah, I just tape read. My high time frame draw was this 5517, but I just rounded up to 5515. It was a 4 hour in the regular trading hour. You can see 5520, 5515, around this level there's a unfilled opening range gap, and also we have a relatively equal low right here. So this was my draw, and for the whole week this was my target. So yeah, as you can see, it did reach it, mark the week low, and just trade back as a and just retrace back to the weekly range. And yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with my high time frame draw being taken, although I did not participate in this move. But well, it is what it is. In trading you can be right about the direction, but you can be wrong about your entries. So today it was a winning trade, and yeah, I'm getting real comfortable with managing the stop loss, trailing stop loss as soon as it moves in my favor, as to manage risk and also secure profits. Yeah, just striving to be profitable and not striving to be right at all. And yeah, just learning. And one thing very important, Benjamin, is that if you see dollar is not tallying, dollar is not doing what you like, feel free to either just cut the trade or just throw a stop loss. Doesn't matter the outcome, it's definitely going to be a profitable trade. Yeah, I'm still trying to be comfortable doing that, but overall, yeah, just gonna keep reminding myself that everything in life is imperfect. There will always be this kind of what if thinking, but it's all just about managing risk. Yeah, I believe trading is all just about that. And also, overall, very good trade session. Managing risk impeccably, and no doubt it was a high resistance run. Yeah, and I tend to look at the entries that I missed because I did not take it because I was doubtful, because yeah, the market right now is pretty tricky, pretty hard to navigate, but still, yes, I still back some profits. Oh, good job. Good job. Lowest hanging fruit as your target. Taking partials, managing the stop loss. Yeah, just waiting for low resistance run so I can just ride the wave. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it will come real soon. Yep. Overall, a very good session. Very good self-management, because after I took profit, because it was a counter bias trade, so I waited for what I want to see, and turns out it did not turn out the way I wanted, so I did not take another trade. Yeah, I just left it be. No impulsiveness, no fear of missing out, but just a little bit that I feel doubtful about a trade. I just I'll just miss the opportunity to enter, and I'll think like, what if, would if, because I'm already expecting something to happen, and when it did happen, but because of what dollar is doing or something that caused me to be doubtful, I'm just gonna practice, if doubt, stay out. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna practice right here. And also, for early entries, I guess I'm still not there yet to take early entries. Just practice more, Benjamin. And yeah, I'm pretty sure you'll be there. Just trying to desanitize myself from the trade outcome right now. Pretty good. Yeah, pretty good.